Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be checking out this new bike from Royal Enfield. So it is Himalayan Scram for 11. As you can see, this is like a naked version of Himalayan. So coming to the specifications, I'll start it once I ride it. So let's start the vehicle. So immediately once you sit, the first feeling you get is it's little lower on the height, and the front suspension has been tuned according to that. I think the front wheel size is reduced, and if you see the console, it is similar to Royal Enfield Meteor bike. I think tripper navigation comes as an optional. I don't think so it is much useful accessory. So apart from that, I can feel it's little lighter in weight, and the front wheel size is from, I think, from 19 inch to it is reduced to 18 inch, I guess. Not sure about the exact number. So apart from that, major drawback which I am able to say is it doesn't have switchable ABS. There is no switchable ABS. But so let me start. So the engine is, everything is same, but what Royal Enfield has been saying is they have tuned to a different map. So that I have to see. Since it's a fuel injection, you can tune according to whatever specs the company needs. So that is one thing. So let me start. So first thing is it's very nimble. So for a city ride, it's very easy to use. As you can see, in Himalayan it's little heavier because there's a lot of weight on the headlight. So you have the jerry can brakes, everything that is all removed in this. So scrambler basically means whatever is unnecessary and whatever, how much ever you can reduce the weight. I think that is the meaning of scrambler version, I guess. So apart from that, pickup is almost similar. I don't feel much of a difference here. Then handling is good. See, you can maneuver inside the city. So next thing which I'm saying is the console, everything is changed in this. So the left indicator, this all is the same, I think. So they have retained the parking indicator as well. So apart from that, the color schemes are good in this. Then let me see the power actually. Yeah, I can feel little of power in this, maybe because of little tuning. And the brakes are really good. I think it's the same brake system, they don't have different setup. So as usual, the mirrors are waste in this. It doesn't help much actually. Let me see overall feel. One good thing is you can maneuver very nicely actually in this vehicle. See, in sit, I don't know why this error is coming. See, the gear, I think I'm riding in third or fourth gear, but still it was coming neutral. Power is really good. I think this vehicle they have designed for the people who are short. Actually I'm 6.1, but for me also it's comfortable. Not like I have to bend and or hunch anything. So it's pretty nice. So it's weird. I think they have removed around 4 to 5 kgs, I guess, compared to Himalayan. So that's making the vehicle actually very smooth and very easy to handle. I think I have come to the correct route. I am not sure. This is the route. So one best thing I like is that handling. It's brilliant. I hope they would have reduced for I think there's a new Himalayan which is coming up, which is 450cc. Probably I hope they reduce all the weight in that and increase the power and the torque ratios, because all the competitive brands are getting higher BHP for even lesser engine. I hope they increase it. I know Royal Enfields are known for torquey vehicles, but yeah, after some point you need power as well whenever you do long distance traveling, right? You can't cruise at 110 or 120. You might need little more power or little more, or they can add another gear and increase the power as well. Overall, it's a decent week. People who are planning to start the riding thing, so they can go with it. Apart from that, seeing the pricing, yeah, I will not suggest for that. Yeah, that's what. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment down below. Thank you.